Important safety precautions to take when handling hot oil. Always wear your PPE equipment. The Armadillo has a modular design that makes assembly easy. Set your filter tank on a level surface. The push handle slides into the designated ports. Make sure the cord wrap hooks face away from the tank. Hang motor assembly onto tank, between the two screw heads. Next, the riser tube is screwed onto the filter assembly. Make sure to screw on tightly, creating a strong seal. Set filter assembly on the bottom of the Armadillo tank. Attach intake hose assembly by pushing the cam coupler onto the cam nipple, with arms pointed out. Once fully seated, bring the arms down towards the riser tube. With the black coupler, pull up on round bumper and push onto the riser tube nipple. Take the discharge hose assembly and feed the blue coupler end through the push handle opening. Pull up on the blue bumper to connect to discharge nipple. The wand can be housed on either corner of the filter tank. Plug the extension cord in and wrap on designated cord wrap. We do offer additional accessories for purchase. The crumb basket can assist in catching larger particulate. Our lid has a two-piece design for easy installation. There are two cutout holes to set wand in place. Keep in mind these helpful tips on the Armadillo machine. The discharge nipple and quick connector have a safety shutoff valve that is open while connected and closed when disconnected. Be sure the quick connector is properly connected before use. For safety reasons, we have outfitted the Armadillo with a thermal reset button in the event of motor overheating. To reset, disconnect intake hose and discharge hose. Lift motor pump assembly off filter tank, lean back on vent side, slide bottom plate off, and you will see a red reset button. If the motor stops working, allow motor to cool and firmly press the red reset button until you hear a click. It is important to remember Masterfill filters last for 7 days. Discard Masterfill filter, clean and dry pan, and install new filter. Scrape filter twice a day to extend oil life, and do not get filter wet.